My name is Lech Biernacki. I'm the Chief Information Officer at CI Global. So I would like to present our fire prevention system that it's not only detecting fires, but preventing them in the very first place. We are focusing on the electric fires, which usually start with the overheated socket. This is the socket that almost caught fire. What is the source of those electric fires? Usually this is the fuse in the plug that starts overheating when the current is high enough. When it's inside the socket, the terminals keeping those plugs also heat. They open a bit, the resistance gets higher, and the heat builds up until it catches fire like here. What we designed to prevent this kind of problems is our safest socket in the world, safest and smartest. But first about the safety. We have thermal diodes on the back of the socket that monitor the temperature of the pins that go inside the socket. So all the metal parts that are inside the sockets, their surface temperature is monitored in real time, which means that if this temperature goes beyond a certain threshold, which you can set, the power will be cut off and the socket will cool down naturally. We also measure the current that is being drawn by the socket. So if you try to overload the socket, it will also disconnect the power. I can show you this mechanism. So this is our mobile application where you can see all the devices. This is the socket. Let's find the socket that we are working on. It's also a smart socket, so you can control it from the app, turn it on, turn it off. But what's the most interesting part is that I can go to the left gang, this one, and I can see live temperature of the metal parts inside. It's 31 degrees, and I can see the current being drawn. The current limits for the socket is 49 degrees temperature and 5 amps as the current. So now I have a heater connected to this gang. I turn it on, and the heater starts drawing power. It's like the first gear, let's call it. So it says 4.1 amps. So everything is fine, right? We are below the limit. If we try to increase the power, immediately we get an alert. First, you have seen that it was like 7 amps for a second. Now it's 0, socket is disconnected. We have an overcurrent alert on our matrix sign. This is not working, and I got the alert on my app that the overcurrent protection has kicked in on this socket. I can dismiss the alert either on the app or physically here using the buttons, and now the socket is back to its normal operation. Another device that accompanies the whole thing is our water detection pebble. So it detects water leaks. That's any liquid that is underneath this device. So here I have some bit of water. Sorry. I'm putting this device. Maybe one more thing. I'm putting this device in the water, and you will see that the water leak has been detected. Washing machine has been turned off, and I have the information in the app that there is a water alert detected, which I can this time dismiss with using the button. So let me get it out. At the same time, our valve controllers have closed the valves with water, so if the leak is present, the water will be automatically cut off.